Hello, it's Miss Von Racefield here, and I'm going to be your teacher for the third grade. Let's go ahead and get started on our presentation. Welcome to the third grade. Here's me. Some facts about me is that I graduated from Southwestern Oklahoma State University in the spring of 2023, and this is my first year teaching. So you guys are my first group of kiddos, and I am from Southwestern Oklahoma, Altus to be specific. Some fun facts about me is I enjoy being outdoors. I like to hunt, fish, camp, hike, anything outdoors. I love to read a good book. Right now I'm working on mystery novels, and I like to cook and bake, so maybe we can sample those in class. Next we have expectations and goals for the school year. Some classroom goals is to learn new things. Learning new things is going to happen every single day of your life. So just try to make the best of it. Always think positively. Positivity is one thing that is very important because we always want to be positive, right? We don't ever want to be negative because that just brings our attitude and things. So let's just try to stay positive and strive for excellence. Strive for excellence is also a good one because you really want to put your best foot forward. And I am excited for this upcoming year with all of you.